Theme parks, or amusement parks, have always been a great source of fun and entertainment for families, especially kids. Amusement parks were introduced several decades ago. However, what once were recreational parks with basic rides have turned into state-of-the-art attractions with thrilling rides and exhilarating roller coasters, which can impress anyone. Here are the top 10 theme parks in the world. Located in Florida, USA, Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom is known to be the #1 theme park in the world. Consisting of 6 themed zones, you get to enjoy amazing rides, show, attractions, and even a luxury stay at this theme park. LEGOLAND, Malaysia, is the first LEGOLAND theme park in Asia. Consisting of 7 sections and 40 interactive rides, attractions, and shows. LEGOLAND specially caters to kids between the ages of 2 and 12 years. Located in Singapore's Sentosa Island, Universal Studios Singapore is the first of its kind in Southeast Asia. Spread across 49 acres, this theme park is an amazing Hollywood-style theme park with 7 zones and 24 thrilling attractions. Apart from the fact that this theme park is located right on the beach. Pleasure Beach is one of the leading theme parks in the world for the breathtaking roller coasters and fabulous stage shows it offers. Ferrari World is the first F1-based theme park in the world. It is located in the capital emirate of UAE, Abu Dhabi. While the park has several amazing rides, the star attraction is the Formula Rossa, the fastest roller coaster in the world. Germany's Europa Park is one loved by families, especially the little ones, the most. This amusement park reflects the lifestyle, architecture, art and culture of 12 European countries through amazing rides and attractions. Six Flags Magic Mountain is another Californian theme park to become a part of this list. The highlight of this park is that it has the most number of thrilling rides than any other park in the world. Dubai Parks and Resorts is the ultimate amusement park destination, which houses 3 theme parks, 1 water park, and a luxury hotel as well. It also has a common area, or boulevard, where you can indulge in shopping and dining. An iconic theme park, Port Aventura, in Spain is based on several historic civilizations. Apart from its wonderful rides, it is also home to Europe's highest fall slide. There is no dearth of theme parks in the world, but these 10 are surely the most incredible ones. With their special attractions and rides, they make the best places to visit with kids during summer holidays.